Hi, it's Joe and Rose for Joss Moses Kitchen. From refreshing drinks around the world series, the sixth one and the final one of this series. First one, we gone to India. Second, we gone to Spain. And third, we gone to Turkey. And for the fourth one, we gone to Brazil. From Brazil, we gone to Saudi Arabia. Now we are going to Italy. Granita. You can make with any fruit juices, but I am making it simple lemon. So it will be quite refreshing. Let's move to the video. Let's make this lemonade together, or Granita. I'm using here lemon for flavoring. You can use any fruit for this Granita. We need lemons. Do like this, so it is easy to squeeze the fresh juice. We need 200 ml of lemon juice. Make sure it's fresh. Onto a pan, add 500 ml of water, 175 grams of sugar, and on a very low heat, let's dissolve the sugar. No need to boil, and remove it and set it aside. Grate some lemon zest to the sugar water. We are using 1 piece lemon zest, and let it rest there until it is completely cooled down. Strain it to a container. Now we add the freshly squeezed lemon juice and give a quick mix and combine well. Cover it and freeze it for 4 hours. The time may change. Be careful. Remove it, it's not fully done yet. So make a quick mix from the edges and again cover it and freeze it for another 2 hours. As I mentioned before, the time may change. It's a slushy. Scrape it down. That's what we are looking for. If you don't like a slushy consistency, place this one onto a blender and just blend it. So it will be a smooth drink. But I serving it as a slushy. And garnish with a lemon slice. A refreshing drink from Italy. It's ready. It's a slushy. But it's quite refreshing. I'm trying with the sandwich, the Sri Lankan Paul sandwich. This one goes together. For the sandwich recipe, the Paul sandwich recipe, visit my channel for detailed recipe. enjoy and drink. If you like this recipe, please try it and share your experience in my comment box. And show your love by sharing the video to friends and family. And subscribe to my channel, Joss Moss's Kitchen. See you with a new video tomorrow. Bye. Wait a minute. Enjoy and drink. And make sure you try my all 6 refreshing drinks around the world series drinks. This video, have you ever tried? What about this one? Oh, what about this one? Have you never tried it? Then what about this one? Make sure you try it and let me know how it is.